So I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty easy to fall into a lunchtime rut. You know, same old cold cut, same old sandwich or salad. So when I find a recipe like the one I'm about to show you, something fresh and delicious and easy to make, I like to share it. But first, I'm Ken Haedrich, and welcome to another episode of Simple Cooking for Hard Times. Recipes to help you stay fit and feel a little less stressed right now. So it seems like even when the pickings are getting kind of slim in my kitchen, I can always find a bag of peas tucked away in some corner of the freezer. I love peas now, but I couldn't stand them when I was a kid. Somehow, mine always ended up on the kitchen floor, which isn't hard to get away with when you're one of 7 kids. Not to worry, nobody's going to dump our green pea and herb sandwich spread anywhere but in their mouths, and happily so. Let me show you how we make it. Start by boiling 2½ cups of frozen peas in lightly salted water for a couple of minutes. That's about a pound bag's worth. Drain and then transfer to something shallow so they'll cool faster. Now add the peas to your food processor. Our peas are totally into fresh herbs, so don't be shy about adding them. I like lots of basil and parsley for starters. If I have cilantro, I'll definitely add some of that too. And here's a little mint from the garden. You don't have to be too rigorous about removing all the stems because the processor is going to take care of them. Add a handful of walnuts, 2 peeled garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon salt, some pepper, and 2 tablespoons each of lemon juice and olive oil, and then process. You might have to scrape down the sides a couple of times. Now, I like to do the last part of the mixing in a bowl so I can fine-tune the consistency gradually by hand. So transfer the mixture to a bowl and stir in 1/2 to about 2/3 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese. Add more lemon juice if you think it needs a little more tang, or more of anything else you think it needs. Now, if I'm using this as a sandwich spread or a dip, I like to keep it on the thick side. You can also thin it out with a little bit of water and smooth it even more in the food processor to make a sort of green pea pesto to toss with warm pasta. That's incredible. And there you have it. This green pea spread is fabulous as a base smear for wrap sandwiches or on ciabatta, decked out just about any way you like it. It's great on crackers too. Thanks again for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this delicious spread, and I'll see you next time. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, could you please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment? I always like hearing from you. See you again soon.